lovelies, welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of my spring cleaning. Getting a lot more done today. Yeah, I think getting the windows all clean, and then I'm going to be cleaning some carpets and also cleaning out the oven. But I hope you will follow along and get some cleaning motivation done. Let's get on into it. So happy we are finally getting some nice weather here in Ohio. So yeah, plus I was on vacation this week, so I'm glad to finally be able to have the time to get most of the spring cleaning done.
If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and the chase, like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it.
And I'm sorry for how my couch looks at the side. That's why I kind of keep a blanket over it. But with having cats around, they like to scratch up the side of that couch. Plus, we're just in need of a new one anyways, so hopefully we'll have one here soon. But I am getting back behind the couch. I haven't done this in a while. And there was mostly just a bunch of little toys and some socks behind here.
Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together.
And I was so excited to vacuum behind here. I couldn't wait to get up all the dirt and dust that has been behind this couch for quite a while.
It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making,
All these busy people hurrying along. If they're not on the phone, they're all worried something's wrong. Making it important to be the first in line. So when the cookie crumbles, the best piece they will find.
Alright, and now I'm just going to be cleaning the carpets in each of the bedrooms and out in the living room.
Right there before our eyes, somehow hidden in plain sight, and we're all racing to red lights. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to swear free. I'm just as bad as you, and sometimes worse, you see. But all this crazy, right? I'm looking for.
I don't know about you, but it always kind of fascinates me, maybe just disgusts me, of all the dirt and gunk that you get out when you clean the carpets in your room.
Red light. It's right there before our eyes, somehow hidden in plain sight, and we're all racing to a red Oh, we're racing to a red light, and it's right there before our eyes, somehow hidden in plain sight. We're all racing to a red light, racing to a red light, to a red light. We're all racing to a red light. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for
cheese that is burnt on the bottom of my oven. So I'm getting out some of the pink stuff and a Scrub Daddy and just going ham at it, trying to get the oven as clean as I possibly can.
As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love.
But this is going to be about the end of the video. I hope you guys got a lot of cleaning motivation out of this. I'm happy to have gotten this done around the house. But I will see you guys all again in the next video. Bye guys.
I need you to show me the way.